Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Welcome back for another video, you guys. So today we're starting off with some old, dusty, crusty hair. You guys know I never start off with clean hair because I'm reviewing some shampoo products today. And I'm going to actually be reviewing some products from a fellow YouTuber here on YouTube. Her name is Mo Knows Hair, and she created her own line. So I'm going to see what she can do to help this head of mine. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Scalp and Curl Clarifier. This is a pre-shampoo treatment that you're supposed to apply to your scalp. This is the consistency of the product. It's very watery, which I like because so you can be able to get down to the scalp and get it clean, get it cleansed. Along with the nozzle bottle, I don't want to waste any product here. Along with the nozzle bottle here, it makes the application very easy to go strictly and directly to your scalp because healthy hair starts with the base, and that's with a healthy scalp here. So I'm just applying this to the product. To me, this is just a concentrated liquid down shampoo here, and this is just to me, and honestly, it's like me applying shampoo to dry hair. I like the concept of it. I don't feel like it was a pre-shampoo because when I think of pre-shampoo, I think of pre-cleansing my curls. But I only concentrate this on my scalp. I did not, bring this down to the length of my hair. But as you guys will see, I will apply water and it'll come down to the length of my hair. So this is my pre-shampoo all in my hair, on my scalp. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some water, and it's going to lather up just like a shampoo. So here we go, adding water to my hair, and immediately my hair basically lathered up. My hair felt so good. I love this product. This was an absolute great product, something I would be repurchasing again and reusing in the near future. As soon as I applied the water, it turned into shampoo. She does have a shampoo in this line, but to me, honestly, I feel like this was one I didn't really need what was, a bottle labeled shampoo. To me, this was the shampoo here. So my hair felt cleansed. It felt clarified afterwards. It did not strip my hair at all. I honestly could have possibly detangled my hair with the product in it. That's how good it was. So next I'm going to go on with the Curl and Co-Wash Conditioner here. This is a 2-in-1. This can be a co-wash or it can be a rinse out conditioner. I did follow all the directions on all of the labels in this line. So this instructed me to apply generously and also work it down on, it didn't say work down the length of my hair, but it said leave it in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes and then detangle. So all of the products in this whole line smelled amazing, except the deep conditioner. Everything else smelled really, really good. It had a light, nice fragrance to it, something that I loved in my hair. Although the smell did not linger for days and days, I enjoyed it on my wash day. So I went ahead and, sectioned my hair off and let it sit in my hair for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to go in with the wide tooth comb here and detangle my hair. This product was not my favorite out of the line. My hair had already felt cleansed, so I really can't say that, my hair felt any cleaner after I did the co-wash. To me, it was more just a conditioner that I just used to detangle my hair. But I did feel like I had to work really hard to detangle my hair, so it didn't have the best slip in the world. So I know there's other products out there for cheaper price that can kind of do an easier job in detangling. But yeah, that's my thoughts on this product. So I did detangle my hair. Like I said, it was, a lot of work, but this is all my hair that came out. I am going through postpartum shedding. I've said that numerous times in pretty much all of my last videos within the last couple months. But this is my hair. My curls look very good with this product in my hair, and now that my hair is fully detangled, my hair feels amazing. But like I said, it wasn't the absolute best I've ever used, but it was good. So I went ahead and rinsed it out, and now I'm going to go in with the curl restoring treatment. This is a deep conditioner here. This is the consistency and what it looks like, the color of it. This, like I said, the smell to me really wasn't, all that. It just smelled like a hair product. It was nothing fantastic. It didn't stink. It was just, I wasn't wowed by it. It was just a deep conditioner. The smell was just a deep conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. And tell you guys that I did pick this up from my local Sally's. These products are only sold at Sally's, and they were having a sale, and I heard it was through the end of the month of October. I'm not sure if it's true, but they were 4 for $20. Regular price, these items run between $10.99 and $11.99 per item. So the deep conditioner felt amazing when I rinsed it out. It felt really good in my hair. I actually like the deep conditioner a lot, and I like the pre-shampoo a lot. So this is my hair. My curls look impeccable. They look so good. This is my hair after all of the product is rinsed out, and my hair is ready to be styled, and I was very pleased with it. My hair felt so soft after I rinsed out the conditioner, the deep conditioner. Highly recommend it. So I'm going with the Mono's Hair Curl Primer. This is a lightweight leave-in conditioner that's a spray. I did not know it was a spray when I bought it, but it is a spray. This is the consistency of it. It's like, you know, it's very, it's like a water, you know, but of course your number one moisture for your hair is water. So this is just a watered down leave-in conditioner. It is lightweight. That's why it's called a curl primer. So I went ahead and I, you know, applied a lot of curl primer because I really wanted my hair to feel moisturized for this wash day. And then I'm going to go in with the curl smoothing pudding. I was saving this product for a twist out, but I didn't feel like my hair had the moisture I liked it to have after I applied the curl primer. So I'm gonna go in with just one scoop, literally that much for my whole head. You guys know I'm very heavy-handed with products, but I wasn't that heavy-handed with the curl smoothing pudding because I didn't want it to weigh my hair down. But it did not do that. That product, the pudding felt amazing going through my hair. So I'm gonna go in now with the curl setting gel here. And I wasn't expecting this consistency for a curl setting gel. This is supposed to be a lightweight gel here. And as you can see in my face, I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and apply it to the hair and pray for the best. So I applied this to the sections. Now, whenever I saw lightweight, I went a little bit ham on the gel because I wanted my hair to have a good hold. I didn't want it to be a lightweight hold where my hair in 2 days would be bushy. So I went in with a good amount of the style setting gel, and it felt really good going on my hair. So this is my hair with all of the products in it, and it looks good. My hair looked really, really good wet, and so I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry and pray for the best and come back and show you guys the results tomorrow. So stay tuned and let's say a prayer. Amen. So this is my hair. I let it air dry yesterday, and my hair actually has a crunch to it. Shockingly, I thought it would be like a soft hold where it wouldn't be a crunch, but there is a crunch today. So I did not band my hair like I normally do, but my definition is there, as you guys can see. So I did bring some oil to scrunch out the crunch. So I'm going to just take this African Pride 5 Essentials oil and just kind of place this on my hair to scrunch out the crunch. Well, so I'm going to take just a dab, a couple dabs of the oil, and just kind of smooth it on through my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and stretch it with, I got a black eye. I'm going to go ahead and stretch it with the blow dry, and I'll be right back. All right, now we're in business. I had to turn my other light on. Like I said, this is my final results here. Okay, so quick recap of the products. Love the Clarifier. To me, was the best product out of the whole line. The styling gel gave my hair, okay, let me go in order. The clarifying was really good. The deep conditioner, my hair felt really, really good. The conditioner didn't have as much slip as I would have liked, but I was able to detangle my hair really quickly. So kind of like a 5 out of 10 on the conditioner, the co-wash stylish conditioner. The styling gel gave my hair a lot of hold, but of course I was heavy-handed with the product. As I was putting it in my hair, I felt like I didn't have anything in my hair. So my hair dried very, very quickly. Like within 4 hours, my whole head was dry. And I did just air dry. It's not sitting in your hair dry or anything, because I did not have a lot of product on my hair. The spray was the spray primer was very lightweight on my hair. And the curl pudding, you guys saw, I put just a little bit in my hair. And I think that's why my hair does not feel as moisturized as I would like it to feel. My hair feels like I just put some gel on my hair. It doesn't feel like I have any leave-in at all on my hair. But I don't know why this side looks a little bit more, this one is more defined than this side, but I use the same amount of products on both sides, so I don't know what that's about. But I mean, all in all, I really did like the products and I really did enjoy them. Mo does very good with the scientific of your hair to know what works good, and I liked it. I'm going to next try the styling pudding with a twist out. I have not done a twist out in like 2 years, so I'm going to try it with the twist out. But for a wash and go, I would give it a thumbs up. I think my hair looks really good. The only thing is, like I said, it lacks the moisture that I would like, but the products itself, the styling products, did very good. I would use either my Mish leave-in or my new favorite, my Elastic QP leave-in underneath it with the styling gel, and I think I would like it even more. So that's that's my final results. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.